Do you have any bullies in your life? Over the past few weeks, we've discussed how each of us is like a driver in a car. Who we are is our mind and is like a driver. Our car is our brain. The key to a smooth running car is a healthy thought process. We have direct control of our conscious brain, which is like the steering wheel or the brakes in our car. We can determine the direction we are going and whether we slow down or speed up. One type of behavior in others that can really damage our cars is bullying. When we think of a bully, we often think of a kid on the playground that is harassing a quiet and timid kid. But bullying happens in families, between friends, even in the corporate environment. It can happen anywhere, and we need to be able to identify it and protect our cars, our brains, from the damage they inflict. Bullying is when someone tries to tear down another person and getting others to tear down another person so that the bully feels better about themselves momentarily. Think of the manager who likes to publicly point out mistakes of their team members, berating them. Whose benefit is this for? Other team members go along with it because they are glad the spotlight isn't on them. The manager often chooses bullying because they feel insecure about their own performance. Unfortunately, if a person doesn't have high self-esteem and is sure of their worth and their own uniqueness, this bullying can cause a person to doubt themselves or even put them in fear, or even worse. We are very sensitive to bullying behavior on our home team. Recently, our kids were at the table doing their homework. Our daughter, whose intangible driver is server but often moves to perceiver, made the comment that our middle son's handwriting looked like a baby's handwriting. I must often stop with her and determine if she's stating facts to make others aware, which is a good reason for a server to move to perceiver, or if there was another motive. When she made the comment, I noticed she looked over at our oldest son and then laughed harder when he laughed back. That was my cue to be concerned. I asked her whose benefit her comment was for. When she looked at me like a deer in the headlights, I asked if she felt better about herself or her brother. She admitted she did it to feel good about herself and immediately told both her brothers that she was wrong. Our cars can start to lose control, but with some basic principles, we can get them back on track and going in the right direction. So, are you ready to help your teams keep their cars safely on the road? If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to stay connected. Thank you for letting me share my leadership thought. Have a great week.